It's a husband versus wife battle to figure out who knows Dutch geography the best. Today, we're playing 3 rounds of GeoGuessr, a popular geography game using only locations in the Netherlands. The loser at the end of each round will be subjected to some unsavory treats and awkward dares, and the last punishment will be especially embarrassing. So stick around to see which one of us will be crowned the BUNCHARTED king or queen of Dutch geography. Goedemiddag and welcome back. Today, we're playing one of our favorite games, GeoGuessr. GeoGuessr is a game where you guess your location in the world based on Google Street View images. Each round drops you in 5 random locations. You explore the areas, do your best to pinpoint the locations, and you earn points based on your accuracy.
We'll play 3 rounds, and the loser of each round will have to pick their punishment from 2 options that they can't see. And each round gets more and more embarrassing for the loser.
All right, we flipped a coin before we started this, and I get to go first. Is that... I don't really know.
Yeah,
how that
I don't
works.
know.
What's the science behind this? All right, so here are this round's punishments. We already know what they are. We wrote them in the cards and we came up with them, but the loser won't be able to see which one they're picking. They have to pick randomly between these 2 if they lose, the loser.
There will be a loser.
There will be a loser. And there will be a winner, which will be me.
Ooh,
all right, here we go.
What's that?
It is a stick coming out of the ground.
Okay. It looks
with
cool.
a bird on it, maybe?
I'm feeling good about this.
No.
I'm feeling good about this.
Like you're going to win this? Yeah, I was going to say. Can I get like one of those signs when you enter a city?
Yeah, but I mean, is that really going to help you?
That's better than what I got right now. I mean, this is probably a province flag, but I don't know what it is.
It is.
Do you know it? You recognize it?
It is, yeah.
Oh my God, I don't. I'm going to go with Zeeland. I don't know any better. Oh, wow.
Flavolond.
Oh, it's Flavolond?
Yep.
Oh my God.
Because it's like the water and then the sky.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, there's a lot more stuff here.
That's a good start.
They're selling orchids.
Oh my gosh, look at all of these greenhouses.
Mossland. It's over here.
Woo!
Ooh, baby. Hell yeah. The fork in the road.
Which way? Oh, pretty.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Lemon and
I
hello?
thought
Hello?
I thought it said hello.
Hello.
Hello?
Ma'am, where are you?
Mevrouw? Varvone?
Mag ik u iets vragen? 9 seconds. I'm just gonna put it over here somewhere. I have no idea. Come on, I can make it. I can make it. Oh wow. Oh, there it is. It's right on the map.
Hello.
All right, we're 34 kilometers from Venlo, and it is to the east. Oh, okay. I was gonna say we're like right. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Okay. This is pretty.
This is nice.
Province flag?
Yeah.
Oh, that is familiar, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Collega's gezookt.
9 seconds. You better pick.
What's the commute like?
Pick a map.
What's the commute?
Pick a map. Oh.
Oh wait, that's where I guessed. We were in. Oh, we're outside of Eindhoven.
Oh yeah. Hey. Oh.
Not great. Not a great start. Not a great start.
I'm feeling good. Okay, let's go.
Go.
It's definitely new. How do I get out of here? Well, so far I literally have nothing.
You're so close to one of the signs.
Rotterdam.
Yeah, you're in Rotterdam.
Oh, I clicked at the last second. Okay.
In the Hoogland?
What does that mean? I mean, I know what it means, but where's that?
Okay, so you could go 2 ways. You could go by, it's by the Hoge Veluwe,
Yeah.
or you could say it's the Highlands, which is in Limburg. You know, like, it's the high part of the...
Lowlands. I'm just gonna...
Yeah, I would go up there, though.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh!
Wow. Okay. Could not have gotten that more wrong.
It's literally like the other side of the country.
And you got this. It's a big city. You got the blue sign right in front of you.
Okay.
You're in Heerenveen.
Woo,
Yo,
baby! Yeah!
Nice job. I didn't help you on that at all.
Oh, good.
West Zaan.
Zaan?
Yeah, I mean, that's probably where you are.
Yeah.
I mean, is it possible
It's
you're in
old.
West Zaandam? Just click west of Zaandam.
Like
Yeah.
here.
And then keep going. 14 seconds.
Ooh!
Hey! Good job.
Yes. Okay, trampoline.
Oh, that's
Where
helpful.
Do they have trampolines?
They don't have a lot of
Oh,
trampolines
look
here
at
in the
this little
Netherlands.
thing.
Yeah, it's a bike
Looks
pad.
familiar.
Beats pod.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
Paul?
Camping plots.
Yeah. Comfort plots.
I'm gonna just go out here because there's
Okay.
like some
That's like right in the national park.
here. Here.
No, I think you're probably right.
Here.
before. Okay. 7 seconds, baby.
Oh,
we go.
I feel poorly about this one because there's literally nothing. Oh, not great.
Where were you? Oh, interesting. You were by Zvola. Eat grocery store herring.
Yes. Yes.
I don't know. This one's actually not that bad. I like herring. And when we did our Dutch food cheap versus expensive video, people said that the grocery store herring wasn't that bad.
Really? Well, we're going to find out right now. Here it is. It comes with 3 of them.
Okay.
And it comes with the onions.
Yep.
Yep.
Good dawdling. Let's let this get this party started. Oh. It smells repulsive.
Oh God.
Like not like fish. It smells like
onion. It's the onion smell.
It is the onion.
So strong.
Yeah, it smells like public restroom. All right, here we go. Oh, it is so slimy.
Are you going back in for another bite?
Yeah,
Why?
it's not bad
Why are you eating it again?
because I'm hungry. Would I get it again? No. Am I unhappy I ate it? Also, no. Round 2?
Round 2. Let's go.
I'm gonna wash my hands first. All right, here are the punishments for this round. May the force be with you.
Me?
Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Looks like I'm close to a city. Oh, is this something?
That's pretty.
That is pretty. Oh. Nope. Well. Oh, baby. Well, okay, we're on the tram line.
Got you.
We're in Rotterdam.
Such bullshit. I'm so mad right now. I can't believe this.
It's the 8, and then I wonder if I can figure out which direction goes into the city and which one leaves the city. I'm just gonna say that we are on the west side of Rotterdam. That's not bad. That's not bad. I was on the north side of Rotterdam, but that's not bad.
Wow, it's really pretty up there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. If you get a fucking tram line, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'll look happy.
Hey, this is Rotterdam? No, it's Den Haag. No.
I was gonna say, do you know that based on all the construction on the street?
Yeah. Roche Ben. Are we in Utrecht? Do they have multiple locations?
Are you asking me? Because I'm not gonna help you.
I'm just gonna go ahead and say that we're somewhere around Utrecht. I have seen this before. Oh, it's a train station. Leeuwarden. Oh man, I'm glad I didn't go with
I'm so mad right now.
Hell yeah. Oh jeez.
Yeah.
This is my punishment. Oh, hello.
I mean, there's a lot of that.
Yeah, I know. It's not a highway, so I mean, I'm just gonna plunk here for a minute. Does this look familiar? Does this look familiar?
I don't know.
It says, do you think it's interesting that's in, I know you're not helping me. I'm sort of just talking out loud. It's in French.
That is interesting.
I wonder if that means we're close to like where we came in when we did the 3-country point on the Wallonia side. I mean, we're also up high. I mean, I'm not saying, but I'm just saying. Wolfhag. Oh, it's right there. Dude, you are so going to lose this round. Like, there's no way you're not going to lose this round. There's no way you're going to get...
This is the easiest
It is a pretty
round
easy...
of GeoGuessr in the Netherlands we have ever played, and we've tried.
Okay, we're at the Port of Rotterdam, but I don't know... The Port of Rotterdam is
This is insane.
big.
This is so stupid.
I don't think this is right, so I'm going to go on, like, inland. I'm just going to stay, like, up here. I don't know. That's not bad. I was actually pretty close considering I didn't know where I was.
It's gonna be a big sign.
Oh my
that's like,
gosh.
You're in.
Look at this tiny bridge.
Rotterdam.
There's a car on it. There's cars on this tiny bridge. Oh. Why is everything in Rotterdam? Well, I got 23,958 points out of a total of 25,000 potential points.
That's actually really good.
I feel pretty good about it. How do you feel?
It's fine. It's fine. Oh, cool. This is fine.
I mean, that map's probably
fine.
helpful.
Everything's fine.
Wait, you know where we are already? How in the hell do you know that?
I don't.
Oh.
I'm just, I feel like this is one of these that you could get like wrapped up in. It said Frisian on the map.
Oh, yeah.
Navigation.
Nice.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Roll.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh, no.
Okay, we got a city. That's good.
That's good. That's a good start.
That's a good start.
You can do this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm going to be honest. I think I would go with the eastern part of the Netherlands.
You really think so?
It seems pretty sparse to go somewhere between Den Haag and Rotterdam, but
I don't really know what it looks like out there, though.
yeah, that's fair.
You're probably right.
3,
oh, no.
2, 1.
Oh. Eindhoven.
Yeah, I was outside of Eindhoven.
Damn.
That's rough.
That's a really low score. All right. Oh, my God. Another one of these neighborhoods.
Oh, there's tulips on the trash cans.
That's cute.
A32.
32 in 375. Oh, here. Okay. I'm just going to guess here.
Wow, that's not bad.
Yes.
Good job.
Yes. Next round.
I'm not, there's no way I can win, so I'm just going to guess here, she says before playing the best round of her game.
Yeah. Deal.
Oh, yeah, we want to go there.
Yeah.
All right, last round.
I'm going to win it all back. Arnhem?
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Well, all right.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I probably should have.
You did your best.
Thanks.
You ready for your punishment?
No. Does that mean I don't have to do it if I'm not ready?
What'd you get?
Say something dirty in Dutch.
Everyone's going to rag us so hard on whatever you say.
Hang on. Let me think about it.
We only know really basic words. So.
Yeah, like asking for things, like ordering. Yeah. So I'll go with my standard. Ik wil graag onze Burmanen.
Okay.
Is that okay?
I don't know. Is it?
Is that okay?
All right. Are you ready for round 3? It's the last round.
I think so.
Here are the punishments. Oh, God. One of them is extremely scary.
I know.
All right, let's go. Oh, boy. We have underground trash cans. That's got to mean something, right?
Maybe.
Quit hitting my elbow. You're trying to sabotage my game.
You're taking up all the space.
Wilhelmina
Blah.
Flora Vita. Oh, Midden Holland. But I mean, like, that's not.
What does that mean?
Well, I mean, I know what it means.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure that gives me a ton of information, though.
Oh! Oh my gosh.
I think. Oh, I was over here. Free shop? Slagerei.
Ooh.
Butcher. Underloo. Uppeldorn. Okay, so we're near the 304, which has to be over here somewhere. Hey,
my gosh!
We've been here. I'm gonna use my last 40 seconds to see if I can see the stuff that we saw.
Yeah, it's up here.
We did not go to that Slagerei.
We went to that restaurant
we went
right
to this
there.
restaurant.
Yeah. And then over here was the Spar that we went to.
Yep, and then the bakery that we went to was over here. Oh shit, I should have spent more time actually like pinpointing the exact location. Yeah, all right. It's pretty good. Feels good, man.
It's all very new.
Nijmegen. Grava? Os?
Bravo?
Okay, so Nijmegen and Den Bosch are the same direction. Oh, I've never heard of any of these cities. It's a very cute little town, though.
Yeah, maybe we should live here.
Oh, shit.
You didn't even guess.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I
should've
didn't even see the
looked.
red thing.
Ugh, me neither. Whoa.
Okay, we're on a highway. Okay, so we're somewhere between Alkmaar and Den Helder. And we're near the beach. So it's got to be like somewhere up here. Let's just go with this.
Oh my gosh.
That's not bad. That's not bad. All right, last round, baby. Let's do this. God, I don't know up here. Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh, how did she? That was pretty good.
Yeah, that was pretty good, huh?
14 miles?
Yeah, that wasn't that bad. All right. Okay. Well, I feel pretty good about that still.
Yeah.
13,990.
That's actually really good.
Good luck.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Another one of these.
Oh.
Do we know where this is?
No, it's just a brand of transit.
This is the end.
5 seconds.
Oh my god,
gosh.
Ben Helder, basically.
Dang.
Oh, that was bad.
That's pretty bad.
That was really bad. Yikes.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Wait, do we know what this is? This is Rotterdam, right? Somewhere in Rotterdam? No? Yeah, definitely. Oh, we're in Amsterdam. Near Amsterdam? Okay.
All right, 4 seconds.
Okay, I feel okay about this.
Hey, that's not bad.
That's pretty good.
You're right by the Burger King. Oh, you're in
we're
Purmerend.
actually in Purmerend.
Yeah.
Huh.
I've been to a lot of these places.
Yeah.
Imagine that.
That's fun. Okay, great.
Perfect.
Yes, this is what I was hoping for.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. So immediately I'm thinking this is like east, probably.
I mean,
Like east,
maybe.
north, maybe.
There's a lot of farms in the Netherlands.
Yeah. Here?
10 seconds. Keep going.
Oh,
that's not
okay.
bad.
Okay.
Could be worse.
Okay. I'll take it. I don't know why I always look at the street names like it's going to
Yeah,
tell me
yeah.
something. It's not.
You'll see something. There's a Jumbo.
Well, that doesn't really tell us much now, does it?
Oh.
Oh,
Apeldoorn.
Oh, that was like basically in the city.
Yep.
Dang it.
All right, last round.
Okay. Let's go. I love this sign. Tell me where I am. Okay.
Okay, I know one of those
Den
cities.
Bosch is.
So there's a compass, and so over there it's to the south. So you're north of Den Bosch. You're about, 8 kilometers north of Den Bosch?
Oh no.
Oh, it's not bad.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean,
okay.
we knew you were somewhere in the area.
That's okay. That's all right.
All right, what'd you get? 11,042. I'm surprised you actually can't see through the cards.
Yeah, I know. They're pretty thick cards.
Good job, Hema.
Yeah, thanks, Hema. Okay, this one. Oh.
What's it say?
Post an embarrassing photo on Instagram.
Okay, well, if you want to see that embarrassing photo, you'll definitely need to be following us on Instagram. We're at BUNCHARTED. This was a different video for us, obviously, so if this is something you want to see more of, like these husband versus wife challenges, then give the video a like. And as always, thank you for watching.
And we'll see you on the next one.
Doei.
Doei.